All right, to check your scores, if you go into classwork from our Google Classroom homepage, it has almost all the assignments somewhere here. You might have to click view more. The only assignments you will not find on here are going to be your vocab quiz, your mentor sentence quiz, and your spelling quiz. Those I will show you how to get to after. So let's say last week's ReadWorks, you want to see what the score is. You would click on ReadWorks, focus what's inside, scroll down, and then you see that she turned it in over here on the side. So you would click sign in. It says you submitted this assignment September 9th, and you can scroll through and see that there's 5 choices. She got 5 out of 5 for 100%. Let's say she did get one wrong. It would be red, and then it would show you the correct response for our ReadWorks. So you can scroll through and see, and you can go back and forth through the passage and the questions in case you want to quiz her and try again. If you go back to our Google Classroom, you can see our social studies questions. So we've got, let's say, Chapter 1, Lesson 2 questions. You would click on that. It says graded. You then click on her response. And after it loads, it shows you all the correct answers that she filled in. I believe on lesson 3, she didn't update her grade or her score, so she would have to go back and see that. So for chapter 1, lesson 3, what is an example feature of Native American culture? She put hunting, and when it loads, it's going to have what I would like for the correct answer to be over here on the side. Eventually. So it's highlighted yellow, that means it's wrong. And then this is the correct answer, that the Iroquois formed a 5-nation league that took decisions on behalf of the nations. So what she needs to do is go back, highlight her incorrect answer, type in the correct answer, and click the plus or check button, and that will mark it as resolved. It'll turn back into me when she hits turn in, and then she will get regraded for a better grade. If we go back to our Google Classroom, let's say for the 3 that you're not going to find on here, so for the vocab, the mentor sentence, and the spelling, if you go ahead and click on her email, it will say score released. So mentor sentence quiz 2, this was last week. It'll say she got a 13 out of 18, and you can click view. And this will take you to the Google form, and it tells you her answer. And it also tells you the question that she got wrong. So what is the adjective in the sentence? She put nicely. The correct answer is good. And you can see that throughout the rest of the part. So for some of them, she has the correct answer, but it's not typed out as the correct answer. So I went ahead and gave her the points anyway. If you still have questions, please feel free to let me know. If I have to, we can Google Meet and I can talk you through them, but hopefully this helps clear things up. Thank you.